I help you access game sound effects in Capcut Mobile free tutorial.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Assuming you want to access a game sound effect to your video clip, here it's not selected, but now that it is deselected, go to bottom left hand screen and click the option Audio. Beneath Audio, scroll to the right until you see the option Sound Effects. Beneath Sound Effects, you want to scroll to the right, you see the option Game. This is Capcut Mobile's free game sound effects. If you click on a sound effect, you can preview the sound effect, and if you would like to add it, basically click the plus icon. Notice any part in the video where you pause, you can add the sound effect as like so. Go to sound effects, as many as you would like or desire. Did I say this is the before? And this is the after. Completely for free.